Hey, Clyde.
Hey,
Thanks for everything you do. I'm a big fan. Thank you.
thank you.
I just wanted to say I live in Nashville and I work at a very big psych hospital, and I work with children. And for 6 years now, and what we do is I work with them and have groups with them and have talks. And the big thing is homicidal ideation, suicidal ideation, self-harm. You name it, it's rampant. They're in there. And I was like, it's a psych hospital. It's 12 to 17-year-olds, and so I'm used to it. Then I started a therapeutic drumming company, going around to working with children around high schools and middle schools, and so I started to talk with them while playing drums and beating it out and all that stuff. But the main thing is what I found is the kids in the high schools that are not in psych wards have the same issues and the same concerns. And we did some statistics, and we'd ask them questions and things. And from the few high schools that we worked with, up to 83, I think it was 83% had suicidal ideation. And, they all knew somebody that wanted to die. And so my big talk with them is, why do you want to die? And honestly, the biggest answer that they all came up with was, why not?
My God.
That's it. That's what they come up with, is why not? So I try to, it's scary. It's very scary, and I'm not trying to be an alarmist. I'm just saying this is what I do here, and it's a crisis. And I was inclined to call tonight because I was like, wow, you're nailing it tonight, and this is a crisis. And so, anyway, I just wanted to give those.
Well, see, the question, you being in a psych hospital, how do you encourage someone to say, you have a lot to live for, when you have people like AOC or Bernie Sanders or some other moron saying you only have 12 years to live if we don't wipe out climate change? And in the meantime, their president's being impeached. They look at the president as someone who is a horrible person because they hear their parents complaining about it. So you have a government that sucks. You have a future that sucks. You don't do well in school. You're not getting along with your friends. You're not getting along with people. You just can't fit in. And instead of having encouragement from parents, they have teachers say, well, the best thing for you to do right now is go outside and protest and tell people, damn it, I'm giving up my hopes and dreams because you're taking away my future. No one's taking away your future. You're making your future. And they won't tell you that. You make your own future. What's that?
I said, in the public schools, free thinking is done.
Yeah.
It's a strange situation. I have 4 little kids in elementary school, and you would not believe the stuff that